So a lot is changing when it comes to COVID-19 guidelines as the case count continues to rise in our state and across the country.
Yeah, with school starting for most Maine students just a couple of weeks from now, there are a lot of questions about exactly what back to school is going to look like this year. And our Chloe Thibault joins us live this morning in Portland with a pretty special guest who's probably got some answers for us, at least hopefully. Hey, Chloe.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, I'm here with Pender Makin. She's the commissioner of the Maine Department of Education. Thank you so much for waking up early today. We appreciate it.
My pleasure, Chloe. Thanks.
Awesome. So like we talked about, we've gotten some viewer questions in over the past couple of days. One of them that we're going to address today, Sydney E. Norris was asking, will the indoor setup remain similar to last year, what we saw in classrooms? So the question we wanted to ask you is, what safety precautions are schools being directed to follow? Will they be requiring masks, distancing students, using plexiglass, all of that stuff?
Got it. Yeah. So schools are being asked by the U.S. CDC and the Maine CDC to implement indoor masks for all students, staff, and visitors inside of a school setting. In addition to that, we have other layered strategies that are highly recommended. For example, setting up vaccination clinics so that people who are not yet vaccinated will have opportunities for that. And we have pooled testing programs that we didn't have last year that are extremely effective in mitigating the spread of the coronavirus. Additionally, Governor Mills committed over $300 million to schools early last summer so that they were able to upgrade ventilation systems, expand outdoor spaces, and invest in certain things. Some will probably continue to use plexiglass. Social distancing is still recommended to the extent feasible, but not to the exclusion of having every student in person full time.
Great. Awesome. Thank you so much, Pender. Super helpful information. And then coming up in just a couple of minutes, actually, we're going to be talking about what the quarantine process could look like if students come into a positive case of COVID-19. Live in Portland this morning, Chloe Thibault, News Center, Maine.